Welcome to this tutorial about basic interactive Google Sheets dashboard concepts. We will be talking about what a dashboard is, what a slicer is, and other things you need to know about interactive dashboards in Google Sheets. Now let's talk about this tutorial. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to describe a dashboard, define a slicer, and analyze data using the dashboard. Before we go any further, here's a screenshot of an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. The dashboard is interactive because we can select the market and see the trend of sales revenue associated with that selection. We can also select the market and see the sales revenue associated with each product line for that selection. Now let's cover some Google Sheets basics. A dashboard is an interactive tool that allows the user to extract and analyze relevant insights while displaying information in a visual way. Analysis performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. A slicer is a button that can be clicked to filter a table, pivot table, or chart in Google Sheets. You would click on the slicer and then click on the market in the drop-down menu to indicate which data you want to display. When the slicer button is used, the two charts change. Depending on the size and resolution of the screen that you are using to view a dashboard file, you may want to change the zoom level for viewing. The zoom control is in the toolbar of your Google Sheets screen. Using the drop-down selections, you can increase or decrease how much of the dashboard you can see on your screen. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get the answers to by using the slicer buttons on the dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on a slicer. It's that easy. I hope you have found this interactive dashboard tutorial useful. It is much easier to use a dashboard than it is to click through multiple sheets of data for an answer. That's it. We are done with this video. This video was created by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.